Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So this is our part 3 of previous year Olympiad questions. Yes, now starting with the first question for today, that is question number 41. Kathy bought a motorcycle for 3200 rupees and sold it for 3247. Now what was her gain or loss? Yes children, what did Kathy do? She bought a motorcycle, that means a bike, for 3200 and then she sold it for 3247. Now did she gain or did she lose? How much did she gain or how much did she lose? See, I have bought an item for less amount and sold for higher amount. So what will this be called? This will be called as my gain. Now when I sell it for a lesser price, it will be my loss. So here we are having gain. Now how much did she gain? Subtract both. Subtract the selling price and the cost price. Now here 7 minus 0, 7, 4 minus 0, 4, 32 minus 32 is 0. What is the answer children? 47 rupees. What is this 47 rupees? Gain. Clear? Now moving on to question number 42. A, B, C and D are 4 libraries. The number of books in the libraries A, B, C are 4,56,872, 8,94,562 and 35,46,258 respectively. Yes, this is the books in A, this is B and this is C. Now the library D is empty. What about library D? It is empty children. Now Jack takes 5,648 books from A and puts them in library B. Yes, and then what does he do next? He takes 8,987 books from library B and places them in library D. Now find the total number of books in all the 4 libraries together. Now it is very simple children. This is just a trick question, okay? See, suppose if I am having, say we are having 4 boxes A, B, C and D. In the first box I am having 8, 5 and 3, okay? Now this is what I am giving you an example of the question. Now what are they saying here? Jack has taken 2 from A and put them in B, and again 3 from B he put them in D. Yes, now what is the total number of books in all the libraries? It will be these 3 only. When we add these 3 numbers together, we will get the answer. Now the same books are changed here and there. Yes, the same books are changed here and there. No new books are added to the libraries. Yes children, the same whatever we were having, we are distributing. So now what will be the answer here? What should we add? We should add these 3 numbers together. 4,56,872 plus 8,94,562 and lastly 35,46,258. Now when we add these 3, what will be our answer? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 8 12, 1 carried, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 5 19, 9 here 1 carried. See again children, now here we got 92, right? In the given options we are having 92 in the last only in option number D. So our option number D is the correct answer. Okay, when you are writing an Olympiad exam, you will have less time and you have to solve as many questions as possible. So in this way, even without solving the whole question, you can say that this is the correct answer. But let us cross check whether this is really the correct answer or not. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16, 6 here 1 carried, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 6 17, 7 here 1 carried, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 4 19, 9 here 1 carried, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 5 18, 8 here 1 carried and lastly 3 plus 1 4. Yes children, what did we get? 48,97,692. The same as option number D. Yes, so even without solving the whole answer, just by looking at the last 2 terms, we can say that option D is our correct answer. Moving on to question number 43. A plus B plus 45,896 is equal to C plus D. If C plus D is equal to 96,023 plus B, find the value of A. Yes children, now let me write this equation first. A plus B plus 45,896 is equal to what? Is equal to C plus D. But they have given us the value of C plus D, right? So I will write that instead. 96,023 plus B. Okay. Now this is what we are having. What should we find out? We should find out the value of A. Yes children, we should find out the value of A. This is what we need. Now these two are extras here. What are these two? These two are extras here. So we will take them that side. We are having addition here. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. Yes. So when these two terms go to that side, these two first let us write as it is 96,023 plus B. Now we are having plus B here. It becomes minus B. Here we are having plus 45,896. It becomes minus 45,896. Clear children? Now we need to find out only the value of A. Yes, these two are extras here. So we are sending them that side. Yes, here we are already having two members, right? So we will keep them as it is. And here as they are in addition, the opposite becomes subtraction. Plus B minus B. See. If suppose it was plus 1 minus 1, what will be our answer children? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, in the same way, B minus B is also is equal to 0. Now what are we left with? This is 0. Okay, so this is gone now. 96,023 minus 45,896. Now let us do that. A is equal to that, right? Yes. 96,023 minus 45,896. Now 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we will borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7. Again 1 minus 9 is not possible, so we are borrowing. 11 minus 9 2, 9 minus 8 1, 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 4 what children? 9 minus 4 is 5. So what is our answer? 50127. That is option number B. Clear? The value of A is 50127. Understood, right? So instead of C plus D, we wrote the value of C plus D. Now here we are having these two as extras, so we send them to the other side. Plus becomes minus. So plus B minus B becomes 0. We are left with 96,023 minus 45,896. That is equal to 50,127. Moving on to question number 44. There were 3,856 trees in a forest. In another forest, there were 4,795 trees. How many more trees were there in the second forest? We know this, right children? Very easy question. Just subtract the bigger number. Just subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. I will do the subtraction fastly. 15 minus 6, 9. 8 minus 5, 3. Here we need to borrow. Yes. A small mistake here. 4796, 3856. So 4795. Sorry children, let me write it again. 4795 minus 3856. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. Yes, so again if you look at the given options, only option B has 3 9 in it in the last. So option B becomes our correct answer even without solving. Or else we can solve and check again. 7 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll borrow. 17 minus 8 is 9. What is the final answer? 939. That is option number B. Moving on to question number 45. What is the difference between the place value of 2 and 4 in the number 23,457. Now first let me write the number 23,457. Now to find out the place value, first let us write the places on top of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Yes children? The place value of 2 is what? 2,000s. 2 is in 10,000s place. So the place value is 20,000s. Now how to write it? See, 2 is here. After 2 you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 2 write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, children? Now next what is it? Next is the place value of the number 4. Now after 4 you are having 2 zeros. So after 4 put 2 zeros. That will be our place value, 400. Now what should we do? Find out the difference. What is the difference? Subtraction. So here 0 minus 0 becomes 0. Now 0 minus 4. First 0 becomes 10, the other become 9, and the last number after zeros become minus 1. Yes, 10 minus 4 is 6. Again see children, 600. Only option A is having 600. So this will be a correct answer. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 and 1. 19,600 is the difference of place values. Yes children. Moving on to question number 46. A very easy question. Subtract 576 from 874. Now coming to the ones place, 4 minus 6 not possible, so we'll borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. Again 6 minus 7 not possible, so we are borrowing. 16 minus 7 is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. So option B 298 is our answer here. Coming to question number 47. In a magic box, if you put a number, then the number is first added by 16 and reduced by 10, and then again it is reduced by 2 and added by 15. If Steve, it is not S, 5, it is S. If Steve puts 24 into the box, what will be the result? Yes children, we should simply follow the steps here. What is our main given number? 24. First what should you do? Add 16. 24 plus 16. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. What did we get? 40. Okay. Now moving on to next one. Reduced by 20. Reducing means what? Removing. So we should remove 20. Subtract. So remove 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Now 30. We have 30. Again reduce by 2. That means subtract 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. And lastly add 15. 28 plus 15. 8 plus 5, 3. 13. 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. What is our answer children? Option A 43. Understood, right? Just take the number and follow all the steps given. You will arrive at your result. Question number 48. If plus is equal to minus and minus is equal to plus, then find the value of 19 plus 17 minus 75 plus 8 minus 4. Now what are they saying? When they say plus, that means subtraction it seems. That means the opposite. So first let us replace the symbols. Instead of plus what should we write? Minus. Then again minus. Instead of minus we should write plus 75. Again plus means minus, so minus 8. Now again minus means plus, so plus 4. Clear children? Okay, till now it is clear. Now what will be the next step? You can subtract these two. 19 minus 17 is 2, okay, plus 19 minus 17 is 2 plus now 75 minus 8. What is 75 minus 8? We need to borrow. Yes, 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 6. So 67 lastly plus 4. Now 67 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Now 67 plus 6 is how much children? 67 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. The correct answer is option 7, 33. Now children, you can do it anyway. You can add all the numbers first and then subtract. See, you can add these numbers first and then wait a minute, add these. Okay, now from this sum, yes, from this sum you need to subtract this sum and find out the answer, or anyway, okay, you can find out this answer anyway, but the correct answer is option C, 73. Any method can be followed as per your convenience. 49. In an election, 27,895 votes were polled. 6,521 votes were found invalid. How many votes were valid? What does invalid means? Invalid means not acceptable. Okay, children? Invalid means not acceptable. Suppose you see now there are weighing machines, right, at bus stops and other places. Yes, you put a coin in it and then it will show you give you your weight. Okay, there will be written that only 1 rupee coins are acceptable. So if you put any other coin other than 1 rupee coin, what will it say? It is invalid. It will give you your amount back, but it will not give you the weight. Yes, so that is invalid, means that is not acceptable. So 6,521 votes were invalid. Now how many are valid? How to find out? Yes, we need to subtract 27,895 minus 6,521. 5 minus 1, 4. See, from this only I can say, see, if you look at all the options given, only option A is having 4 in the ones place. So option A is our correct answer. Yes, instead of solving it all, we can directly write 9 minus 2, 7, 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 6, 1 and 2. What is it? 21,374. That is option number A. Clear, children? Moving on to question number 50. The difference between two numbers is 4,937. If the greater number is 30,451, what is the smaller number? Yes, children, we already did this, right? We are having the greater number and the difference here. Yes, so how to find out the smaller number? Smaller number or the subtrahend is equal to the minuend minus difference. Yes, what is the minuend? Bigger number. The bigger number minus the difference will give us the smaller number. So let us subtract 30,451 minus 4,937. Now 1 minus 7 is not possible, so we will borrow. 1 becomes 11, 5 becomes 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so we are borrowing. 14 minus 9, 5. 9 minus 4, 5 and 2. Yes, what is our answer? 25,514. That is option number C. Clear, children? Find the question number 51. Find the result of the following. 19 minus 18 plus 17 minus 16 plus 15 minus 14 plus 13 minus 12. Now this might seem as a very big problem, but actually this is very easy, children. See, what is 19 minus 18? 1. Then we are having the plus symbol. Now 17 minus 16 is 1 again. Then the plus symbol. 15 minus 14 is 1 again. And then we have the plus symbol. Lastly, 13 minus 12 is also equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 4. Yes. So our answer is option number C. That is 4. Very easy, right? Yes. Moving on to question number 52. Observe the pattern given. 19,537, 20,087, dash and 21,087. Yes, children. See, if you were to solve this, smartly, we are having 37 here, 87 here. Then again we are having 87. Now the number in the middle should have what? See, 37, 87, dash 87. What should it have? 37. So among the given numbers, which has 37? Option D. So option D will be our right answer. Okay. Now coming to actually how to solve this. Now whenever such observe the pattern questions are given, children, subtract the given first two numbers. 20,087 minus 19,537. 0, 5, 5, 0, 0. So what is the difference? 550. What is the difference, children? 550. That means this 19,537 plus 550 is equal to 20,087. Now when we add 550 to the second number, we will get our third number. So 20,087 plus 550. 7 plus 0, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. 6, 20. Yes, 20637. That is our option number D. Clear, children? Moving on to question number 53. How many hundreds are there in 69 into 1000? See, 69 into 1000. How to calculate? Take the non-zero numbers. 69 ones are 69. Yes, any number into 1 is equal to the 1 itself. 11 ones are how much? 11. 11 ones are 11 only. In the same way, 69 ones are 69. And after 1 we are having 3 zeros here. So, I will write 3 zeros. Yes, children. Now, how many hundreds are there in 69,000? Ones, tens, hundreds. In the hundreds place we are having 0. Yes, in the hundreds place we are having 0. But when it comes to the question that how many hundreds are there, this will be our answer. From the hundreds place, whatever is we have here, 690 hundreds. So what is the correct answer? Option number A. Understanding, children? How many hundreds? So from this hundreds, whatever we are having. Suppose if they ask you how many thousands do you have, then from this thousands, whatever we have, 69 thousands, the number has 69 thousands. Now suppose if they ask how many tens are there in the given number, then from here 6,900 tens, the number 69,000 has 6,900 tens. Clear, children, how to solve this type of question? So now in the number 69,000, how many hundreds do we have? 690 hundreds. That is option number A. Coming to question number 54. How does the sum change when the order of the addends is changed? If you remember, children, in the lesson properties of addition, we have learned this. So when the order of the addends is changed, the sum does not change. Okay, the sum does not change, it remains the same. That is option number D. Suppose if you don't remember what happens, okay, now then what you can do is take any two numbers and add. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now change the order of the addends. Yes, write 3 in the first place and 2 in the second place. 3 plus 2 is also equal to 5. Now what can we say about the sum? Sum is not changing. The sum is the same. So what can we conclude? The sum does not change. It remains the same when the order of the addends is changed. Clear, children? Coming to question number 55. On Thursday, Arjun drove 167 miles. On Friday, he drove 68 miles. And on Saturday, he drove 73 miles. Approximately how many miles did he drive in 3 days? Now again, this is a very simple question, children. See, on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, the 3 days, the miles travelled by Arjun is given. Now what will be the total number of miles he drove? Add it. Yes, so 167 plus 68 plus 73. Now coming to the ones place, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 8 here, 1 carried. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 0 here, 2 carried. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now this is 308. Now what should we do? Approximate. What are they asking? Approximate. Approximate here means estimate. Approximate means what, children? Whenever in the question they ask you to give the answer approximately, you need to find out the estimate. The answer we got is 308. Now 308. If you look at the options given, all the options are hundreds here. 100, 200, 300, 400. So we need to approximate this 308 to the nearest hundreds. Yes. Now look at the digit in tens place. It is 0. That means it is less than 5. So we round it down. 3 is written as it is. And if you look at the number 100, we are having 2 zeros. So we will write 2 zeros. So 308 becomes 300. What is the correct answer, children? Option C, 300 miles. I hope this was clear. Coming to question number 56. These are rhombus. This shape is called as what? This is a rhombus shape. Just like this is square, it is a rhombus here. Now 4 rhombus is equal to 1240. 1000 minus rhombus is equal to square. Now we need to find out the value of square minus rhombus. Yes children, for rhombus let us say it is R, and for square let us say it is S. Now what are we having here? R plus R plus R plus R is equal to 1240. Yes children, R plus R plus R plus R is equal to 1240. When I say how many R's do we have here? 4. So it becomes 4R. 4R is equal to 1240. Now what is the value of 1 R? See children, now when I say the cost of 4 apples is 1240, what will be the cost of 1 apple? 1240 divided by 4. Yes, in the same way 1 R is equal to 1240 divided by 4. Let us divide. 1240 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Subtract 0, 4 brought down, 4 1s are 4, minus 0, again 0 brought down, so we will keep a 0 here, as 4 zeros are 0. So what is our answer children? 310. What is 1 R is equal to? 310. Clear? Now here what are they saying? Let me erase it all. R is equal to 310. 1000 minus 310 is equal to square. Let us subtract and see. 1000 minus 310. 0 minus 0, 0. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible. So first 0 becomes 10. Next it becomes 9. And 1 here becomes 1 minus 1, 0. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. What is the answer children? 690. What is this? It is the value of our square. Now square minus rhombus. Square minus rhombus. See 690 minus 310. Let us subtract and see. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. What is our answer? Option C, 380. Understood children? How did we solve this? 4 rhombus is equal to 1240. Then 1 rhombus is equal to 1240 divided by 4. So we get 1 rhombus is equal to 310. Now 1000 minus 310 is equal to 690. That is the value of our square. Now square minus rhombus is 690 minus 310. That is equal to option C, 380. Children, now moving on to question number 57. The table below shows the number of balls John has in each of the 3 jars. Which number is closest to the total number of balls in the 3 jars? Yes, what are they saying here? In jar A there are 121 balls, in jar B there are 37 balls, and in jar C there are 180 balls. Now which number is closest to the total number of balls in 3 jars? See children, when we add the total, when we do the total of these numbers, 1 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 3 here 1 carried, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now 337 is our total. Now when we look at the numbers here, which is the closest? 180. Yes, 180 is the closest to 337. Understood children? Which number is closest to the total number of... Which number is closest to the total number of balls in the 3 jars? See, now the total is 337. Yes, 337. Now we need to round it off. We need to find out an estimate. Okay. Closest to the total number of balls. That means from these given numbers, which is the closest? 340. Yes. See, when we round off this 337 to the nearest 10, 7 is in 1's place, This is greater than 5. So we round up. That means we add 1 to the digit in tens place. Now 3. 3 plus 1 4 and 0 here. 340. Yes children. This is what it is. The closest means here we are writing the approximate answer. 337 is the closest to 340 here. Moving on to question number 58. Sunil has 383 pencils. He gives 9 pencils to his friend. How many pencils are left with him? What are they saying? He had 383. Of that 9 pencils he gave away to his friend. Now how many are left with him? It is simple, right children? We just need to subtract. Now 3 minus 9 is not possible, so we are borrowing. 13 minus 9, 4. 7, 3. What is our answer? Option A, 374. Yes children, I hope this was clear. Now that's all for today, and tomorrow will be our last part of this previous year Olympiad questions. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.